So listen, coffee has been around for so much longer than all of these fancy machines and grinders and presses and pour overs. So what if you're camping or your electricity goes out, or maybe you just want to be kind of cool and old school and act like a cowboy? Well, that's when you do Cowboy coffee, which is really simple. It just requires a pan of water, which you can heat over the stove or over a fire, and some coffee grounds. Now, if you don't know how much to use, we recommend that you use about 2 tablespoons of coffee per 6 ounces of water. And it's very simple. You heat the water, you add the coffee, then you just want to stir it up and let it boil for a few minutes. You're gonna know that it's done because the coffee grounds start to settle to the bottom. So once the grounds have settled, you're just gonna pour your coffee right into your cup. Now you can strain the grounds out, but honestly, you don't have to. And as you can see, the grounds really do settle to the bottom of the pan, so they're not gonna get in your cup of coffee and they're not gonna get stuck in your teeth. Yeah, that's rich.